lot of forklifts run on either propane gas that emits at least carbon dioxide, and other machines might use gasoline or battery packs. Most of your battery packs will only last 4, 6, maybe 8 hours before you have to totally replace just a regular lithium-ion battery pack with a new pack. And those battery packs are very expensive, and so a lot of installations like the military and places that have warehouses are going to probably be switching to fuel cell powered forklifts. U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Construction Engineering Research Lab, Engineering Research Development Center, and the EERC have put together the total fuel cell package within a Hyster forklift. The Hyster forklift has a hydrogenics fuel cell power pack that's inserted in it. So essentially there's no fuel except hydrogen. This isn't just a battery pack like a lithium-ion battery. This is a fuel cell type of battery. So the fuel cell operates on hydrogen, and the entire package deal is put together by Hydrogenics. So essentially all the power systems are taken out of a typical Hyster forklift, and the Hydrogenics fuel cell pack is placed in it. The fuel cell has a storage tank of about 2 kilograms of hydrogen, which will allow that system to operate a full day, a full shift at heavy loads. It's a 5,000 pound forklift, which means it can lift matter and materials up to that weight, and this is very typical average size of a forklift vehicle. So within the fuel cell vehicle you have a fuel cell that is producing only water vapor emissions, and that gives that type of vehicle a much higher advantage over any type of gas-powered or propane-powered vehicle. Fuel cells also have a much higher efficiency as far as the energy from the hydrogen molecules through the electrical system of the fuel cell vehicle and the Hyster are much more efficient than, say, burning propane or just using a lithium-ion battery pack. One of the other advantages, besides the much lower emissions just being water for a fuel cell vehicle such as this Hyster forklift, is the sound. The systems have greatly improved. You have a couple compressors, and you have the whirring of electronics, but you don't have the loud engine type sound where you need mufflers and that sort of thing like you do for, let's say, a gas or propane powered vehicle. In the end, this fuel cell forklift will go to Robins Air Force Base. The EERC has set up a temporary 5,000 psi refueling station here on our site, and we're going to test it and run that vehicle for a few days before we ship it down to Robins Air Force Base, which is in Georgia. And there's another branch of the Air Force called the Advanced Power Technology Office, or APTO, who are very interested in putting fuel cell systems into a variety of different vehicles, and they're going to use this Hyster on the base.